This is a wonderful initiative by KSRM, bringing people together to discuss the most urgent thing like sustainable development goal and how that is going to shape up the lives of people that actually many of us are working. And it's good to have an interaction with a wide range of professionals who have come here to actually prepare the roadmap how actually SDGs are going to be realized through a kind of partnership and also kind of knowledge management. And I think it's the first of its kind that has been done by KSRM here with the student or the professionals who are actually going to contribute hugely to the success of sustainable development goal in India. The rural area is actually facing a huge developmental issues, particularly the infrastructure. You need to have better infrastructure. Access to better services is one, like when we are talking about education, you're talking about better living standards, you're talking about livelihood. Third, also the policies that we need, certain policies to make our governance system more vibrant, where people could actually come and participate and also so the infrastructure, services and the governance are actually a key to the success of any development program. That's what actually and many of these things are also talked about in SDG, where to make it more people friendly and how people at the grassroots level could also participate in the entire process of the pro-poor and the poor-centric development process. They have a huge role. I think that's what we need today in our rural area. You need professionals, you need trained people who could actually go and work on a lot of issues like planning the development programs, designing it, coming with prototypes. So and also coming up with startup, the social entrepreneurship startup, and so a lot of other issues are still there which are untouched, and the professional could contribute a huge kind of the kind of work KITS rural development management is doing is really good and contributing hugely to the development of this particular area, the rural area, and creating professionals. I think that's really wonderful. We have also allowed the youth to interact, the student to interact. They have a lot of ideas, a lot of questions. I think it's really good to see that this interaction that we found that they're very enthusiastic about, more energetic about this particular thing and taking this to the next level. That energy that I could see among the students. Economic slowdown is there. I think this is going to be there and people are really suffering because of the economic policies and also the contribution, international financial contribution is also contributing hugely. But yes, there are people who are actually suffering. The prices of food and other essential things is going up and people are actually facing trouble. But I think the same way also the government is coming up with certain policies for a long term kind of benefit, but it has to be seen how it's going to help.